Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of April 2025 for all the Cancer Ascendant people. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Sun controls your second house, and right now, Sun is starting from your ninth house in the sign of Pisces, where many planets are right now present, as we discussed previously in last month prediction video. Sun will stay into your ninth house till 14th April 2025. After 14th April, Sun will move from your ninth house to 10th house in the sign of Aries, where Sun will be in its exalted position, in its good position into your 10th house. So, ninth house will be your elders, your teachers, mentors, your father figures into your life, your education related matter, your higher education, post education, your long distance travel, religious matter, religious inclination, following the rules and regulation, etc., etc. So second house will be your savings, your money matters, your bank account, your speech, how good you are into your speech, how good you will have savings, good, you will have money because bank account is also supported by second house, your pocket, your money matters in from second house, your early upbringing, how will how was your home environment when you're growing up is seen from second house, your food intake habits somehow represented by second house as well. Now, Sun is starting from your ninth house. So, if you are in education life, then you may face some type of disturbance till Mercury is moving its retrograde motion, especially till 8th April. Because Mercury is as well transiting from your ninth house right now, controlling your third house and 12th house. So Sun and Mercury, these two planets are creating some disturbance into your ninth house regarding education treatment if you're in education life. But Mercury come back to direct motion around 8 April 2025. And also Mercury is right now in this debilitation sign, Pisces sign considered as weak sign, by debilitated sign for Mercury. So that's why you will get some type of disturbance regarding your education, regarding the health of your elders, teachers, fathers, related matter. You need to be very careful regarding all of these matters. Uh, Sun will move after 14th of April from your ninth house to your 10th house. So then you will have the great opportunities regarding your work related matter. But still, you need to be very careful regarding Mars related matter because Mars is also about to move, controlling your 10th house from your 12th house to your first house in its debilitation sign. But we will talk about Mars in the later in this video. Right now, we are only talking about Sun related matter. So your second house lord when your second house lord will transit from your ninth house to 10th house in exalted position after 14th April, then you will have great opportunity. You will have support of your superior bosses during this time period. You will have many good results regarding your savings and earnings related matter. Because second, six, and 10, this triangle is always connected to your earnings and your work related matter. Mercury, as we discussed previously, Mercury and Sun creating some disturbance. Still, Mercury is moving its retrograde motion into your ninth house in its debilitation sign. Because Mercury gets your third house. Third house is the house of communication. So that's why you may get some argumentative communication with your teachers, elders during this time period. So you need to avoid that conflict. You don't waste your energy into these matters. Uh, 12th because Mercury also controls your 12th house of expenses, house of losses, house of expenditure. You may face loss if you argue and try to argue with some point regarding your ninth house related matter. Venus controls your 11th house and your 4th house, and right now Venus is transiting from your ninth house as well. There is a thing Venus is in its exalted position, in its good position to a ninth house, and Mercury is moving its debilitation state, in its weak state. So all the difficulties, all the conflict you will face regarding Mercury debilitation matter, which we have just talked, Venus will give you compensatory result for all the mishap, and Venus will give you good result because your fourth house, your emotion will be very stable during this time. You will tackle all the problem with your support because 11th house is your support, your sources, your friend circle, your elder brothers, sisters. You will tackle the difficulties of Mercury Sun. And after 14th of April, when Sun will move from your ninth house to 10th house, you will also get the good result regarding your gains related matter. because 11th house deal with your gains. Your incoming gains are seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes, fulfillment of hopes and wishes are seen from 11th house. Moon is very important planet for you people because Moon is your ascendant lord. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard set according to 1st April 2025 because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict result of Moon in a single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your birth chart easily. So first of all, whenever in a monthly transit, whenever on a monthly basis, Moon is starting from 6th, 8th, and 12th house. During these days, we can expect we may have some type of issues, problem, and difficulty. You may have some type of issues, problem, and difficulty into your life because these houses considered as a naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow, issues, problem, and difficulties are always associated from these houses. And Moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon gets influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is transiting near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days as well, we can expect we may have some type of issues, problem, and difficulties in our life. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. Mars controls your 10th house and your 5th house, and Mars is right now present in your 12th house for long time. For previously moving, and Mars is moving into your 12th house previously for a long time because Mars was previously moving its retrograde motion. But now, around 3rd April 2025, Mars will move from your 12th house to 1st house in the sign of Cancer into your ascendant in its debilitation sign. Fifth house will be the children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, your early education till college level education, your fun activities, your mental abilities, your planning abilities. All of these things are represented by fifth house, etc., etc. Uh, 10th house, as you know, 10th house will be the work, your work environment, your superior bosses, how good you are at your work. All of these things are related by 10th house. Work related matter, authority related matter, fame related matter, all of these things are success related matter, all of these things are seen from 10th house. So your 10th house and 5th house lord will be in its temptation state but into your ascendant. You will get great result regarding your work related matter because sun will be in its exalted position to your 10th house and 10th house lord will be into your ascendant. But there is a possibility and you will get some disturbing results, some argumentative communication with your superior bosses because Mars into your ascendant. Around your head will be in the temptation sign and Mars represent anger. So time to time you will face some anger issues in the month of April. You will have some communicative disturbance with your superior bosses. You need to control that thing. Also, avoid conflict with your children if you have children or any sincere love relationship. You may face some uh, you may take some extra interest if you're younger in age regarding your fun activities because Mars will be in debilitation state but into your ascendant and Mars also represent energy. So you will passionately pursue for regarding fun activities. So you need to avoid and check in. You need to run through check and balance regarding your education related matter as well and your fun activities related matter. So we can expect these results for all the Cancer Ascendant people. Our today's video monthly prediction of April 2025 for all the Cancer Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz.